In this film, we'll visualise a strategic roadmap for achieving a sustainable low-carbon future in manufacturing and production by 2050. The manufacturing and production sector accounts for 1/5 of global carbon emissions and 54% of the world's energy usage. So, what's our strategy? First, we start with the establishment of contracts, incentives, and a thorough assessment of the industry to pinpoint hotspots. By 2026, assuming that's how long it will take to lock in agreements, the industry's carbon footprint is here. In the first 5 to 10 years, we need to implement quick solutions like solar, onshore wind, energy storage, offshore wind, and hydro. The next solution is advanced nuclear technology, but for that, we need to step back again. Around the start of this period, small and large-scale nuclear power stations will be constructed, which takes slightly longer to execute, but in theory will be ready for action around the 2040 mark. If the plan unfolds as expected, the manufacturing sector will rely on carbon-neutral energy by 2040. Nuclear energy will then bridge gaps for retiring producers, serving as a stable, secure, and cost-efficient source of low-carbon energy. One final aspect warrants our consideration: the undeniable value of this energy. When integrated into the standard grid, we lose potential energy. The use of localized energy centers optimizes energy distribution to industries in need, and any surplus energy is seamlessly integrated back into the grid. In summary, this plan underscores our commitment to a greener, more sustainable future in manufacturing. By leveraging an integration of these sources of energy, we aspire to help reduce carbon emissions and ensure energy reliability for generations to come.